When we talk about trunk traffic, we're talking about those big flows of traffic that move over appreciable distances between the main centres of population and industry in the country. There is, within the total, a great deal of duplication. In some cases, as many as 3, 4 or 5 lines are doing the same job, connecting the same pairs of centres. But the network is such a tangle that you can't readily see this duplication. You see, there are 3 lines from London to the West Country. There are 2 lines from London to Birmingham, 2 and a bit lines from Birmingham down to South Wales, 2 lines from Lancashire area down to South Wales. And from London to Scotland, from the whole southeast of Scotland, there are all the way 3 lines, and in many places 4. And then we come to this tangle across the middle of the country. 5 lines from Liverpool to Manchester, and another 4 from Manchester to the east across the Pennines and into Yorkshire. Now, this duplication, and this is only an example of some of the cases, is very important because it means that the routes of the country are sharing the traffic. That wouldn't matter if they were all well loaded, but of course they're not. The system as a whole carries only about a third of the traffic that it's capable of carrying. And this low loading of the routes is due to this duplication that I've spoken about. A duplication of which, of course, results from the competitive building of the past, when all the old railway companies wanted to get into the main centres and carry traffic between them. And this adds a great deal to the cost of railway transport, because the routes are expensive to maintain, and if we maintain them all, then the light traffic on many of them has to bear the full cost. No, I think that's about as far as I can go.